Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Annie. Today I am going to show you how to make a key stand. So let's get started. For that I am going to use this plaque from Dollarama and I am going to start painting this.
So guys, here I have painted three of them, all three. I have painted them. I thought to keep this one, but I'm gonna remove this one and I'm gonna keep this one to attach this together with my other wooden board. Use this one I have. This is a scrap wooden piece that I have at home. So I'm just gonna paint this one and then use this for my key stand. So guys, actually I wanted to let you know that this wooden the piece that I had earlier, I showed you guys. This was the one. This was the one, right? And this is too skinny, like a very thin, so I change it to the thick one, this much thicker. My key holders I painted them, and what I'm going to do is I mark it down with the pen that where I'm gonna put these plaques. So I'm gonna show you here. This is the mark I have. So I'm gonna put here. It says second one here. Third one here. The way I'm gonna hang it. And now what I'm gonna do is, for this one here, I mark it down with the pencil. I draw lines. So this is my center point, and I'm going to use this keys. I'm doing is, for this I'm gonna do scratching here at the back. And I put the tape here, both the side, so it will not move. this, guys. So I trace it down with my marker on the keys, the written word here keys. You can try that way. And I'm going to finish my rest of them. Again, I'm gonna write it down with the pen, my marker, and then after that I'm gonna dabbing here a little bit with the black color, black paint. I will start with the dabbing first. So hi guys, this is the finished look after dabbing here, and I have done both of these, and I have finished dabbing in this wooden piece too. So now I'm just gonna put the wood glue, Gorilla Glue here, and I'm gonna stick it. Like this. And then I have these U-shaped nails that I'm gonna attach it here, so you can have, if you have more keys, you can hang it up here too. So I'm gonna make a hole here. Using the hot glue gun to make the process more faster. guys, here is the finished look. Now I'm gonna hook here. So you can use the the jute rope or something else as well if you want to, but I'm gonna hook it with these things here. I'm gonna show you. This is the one that came off from this one, this plaques. So I'm just gonna use these two at the back and I'm gonna hang it. So guys, I was thinking to put the hooks here, but then it was showing from the front and that I don't want it from here. So that's why I decided to put it at the back of the plaque here, so it will be like hidden and no one can see from the front like this. So now I'm going to hang it and I will show you how it looks. Hi friends, so this is the finished look and it turns out so well. It looks so nice. I hang it in my laundry room. I'm gonna give you the laundry room tour one day in my new video. Please stay tuned. It looks so nice, so pretty.